Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best weaving yarn is probably one of the most crucial elements in creating beautiful and durable textiles, directly impacting the final look, feel, and longevity of your woven pieces, making the selection process a critical step for any weaver, from beginners to seasoned artisans, who aim to achieve professional quality results and express their unique creative vision through their craft. Number 5. 20 Acrylic Yarn Skeins, Multicolored Craft Yarn Set. Discover a stunning collection of 20 acrylic yarn skeins, offering a total of 438 yards in a beautiful array of multicolored shades. This set is perfect for bringing your creative visions to life with vibrant color. Each ball provides approximately 22 yards of versatile yarn, ideal for crocheting, knitting, and various craft projects. Use it for charming accents, adorable amigurumi, classic granny squares, or fun pom-poms. Unleash your creativity with 20 distinct colors in one convenient pack. This rainbow assortment ensures you have the perfect shade for every project, making multicolor designs a breeze. This is the perfect starter kit for anyone new to crocheting and knitting. It includes everything you need to begin immediately, making it incredibly simple to jump right into your first project. Get inspired with 7 bonus PDF ebooks filled with yarn patterns. These guides are specifically designed to help beginners learn crocheting and knitting, offering a fantastic starting point for your crafting journey. What we like. This yarn pack offers a fantastic variety of 20 colors, perfect for those who love to experiment with different shades in their projects. If you are a beginner looking for a comprehensive starter kit with plenty of color options and learning resources, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for anyone wanting to dive into colorful crochet or knitting projects right away. What people say. Colors are very vibrant. Will be perfect for craft at school. Beautiful colors. Love the soft feel of this acrylic yarn. Nice selection of colors, good quality. Number 4. Mira HandCrafts 12 Acrylic Yarn Skeins Kit. Unleash your creativity with this beginner-friendly kit. It includes 12 skeins of premium acrylic yarn, offering a total of 1,312 yards in a variety of bright, multicolored shades. Crafted from 100% acrylic, this yarn is both soft and sturdy. It's designed to maintain its vibrant colors even after washing, ensuring your projects look brilliant for longer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this yarn is ideal for a wide range of projects. Its knot-free nature makes stitching easy and enjoyable for everyone. From amigurumi and granny squares to scarves and throws, the possibilities are endless. This lightweight yarn is perfect for creating plushies, gifts, and cozy blankets. Experience the perfect balance of strength and softness. This yarn is ideal for projects that require both durability and a comfortable feel, like cozy blankets and intricate granny squares. This kit comes with inspiring patterns and ebooks for every skill level. It's everything you need to get started with your crochet hooks and knitting needles. What we like. With 12 substantial skeins and over 1,300 yards, this yarn provides ample material for larger projects and ensures your creations maintain their brilliance. If you're looking for a durable yet soft yarn that's easy to care for and stays vibrant, this is the one. It's particularly well suited for making amigurumi, scarves, and throws that will be cherished for a long time. What people say. The 40 assorted colors acrylic yarn set by Mira HandCrafts is fantastic for anyone who loves crocheting or knitting. The variety of colors is impressive, making it easy to find the perfect shade for any mini project. The yarn is soft, easy to work with, and doesn't tangle easily, which is a big plus. Great range of colors, and good length. Number 3. Lion Brand Comfy Cotton Blend Yarn, Chai Latte. Discover the stunning multicolor effect of this yarn. Each cake offers ample yardage, perfect for all your creative endeavors. This blended cotton yarn is ideal for creating lightweight knitted or crocheted items. Its unique color flex will add a special touch to your crafts. Crafted from a blend of 50% cotton and 50% polyester, it's a versatile choice for any project. Its lightweight makes it suitable for a wide range of crafts. Keeping your creations looking their best is simple. Just machine wash and dry to maintain their beauty. As a trusted brand, we are dedicated to offering high-quality yarn for both new and experienced crafters. It's the perfect choice for all your knitting and crocheting needs. What we like. This yarn offers a unique blend of cotton and polyester, creating a lightweight feel with beautiful, subtle color flecks. If you enjoy working with yarns that have a special visual texture and are looking for something perfect for lighter garments or accessories, this is a great option. Its easy care nature makes it suitable for everyday items. What people say. The yarn glides along my finger and there's no irritation or burning when using it. The yarn I purchased from Amazon worked up fast and no tangles and separating, as this is a 2-ply yarn. This yarn is great for making lightweight boho shawls. Very easy to work with, and chai latte is my favorite color. Number 2. PREBOX Weaving Loom Kit. Discover the joy of crafting with this all-in-one weaving loom kit. It's designed to spark imagination and develop essential skills in kids and adults alike. Relive cherished childhood memories or create new ones by weaving together. This kit is perfect for bonding with your children and passing down a beloved tradition. Let your imagination run wild. Beyond simple potholders, you can create unique coasters, stylish hairbands, practical coin purses, and even fashionable handbags. This comprehensive kit includes a storage box, a durable plastic loom, vibrant acrylic yarn loops in 8 colors, a needle, a crochet hook, yarn, and easy-to-follow pattern instructions. With straightforward instructions, anyone can start weaving patterns or invent their own designs. It's a fantastic way to create beautiful masterpieces to share with loved ones. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This kit is an ideal choice for kids and beginners who love to create and explore their artistic side. What we like. This kit is designed to spark creativity and develop fine motor skills, making it an engaging activity for younger crafters. If you're searching for a hands-on craft that offers a sense of accomplishment and can be a bonding experience, this is ideal. It's perfect for kids who want to create functional items like potholders and coasters, fostering imagination and traditional crafting techniques. What people say. Great kit for making potholders. Bought for 9-year-old. She loved and was very successful making different designs. Nice quality. I bought this for my granddaughter and she loved it. If you are looking for a gift for your child or grandchild, this would be a delightful gift, possibly for years to come. The colors are great. Number 1. Leisure Arts Loom Knit Stitch Dictionary. Discover a world of knitting possibilities with this comprehensive stitch dictionary. Explore endless patterns and techniques to bring your ideas to life. Perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters, this guide provides clear instructions for a wide range of loom knitting stitches. Elevate your projects with beautiful, intricate designs. Each stitch is explained with easy-to-follow steps and helpful visuals. You'll be creating stunning knitted items in no time. This book is an essential addition to any knitter's library. It's the ultimate reference for expanding your loom knitting skills and creativity. From simple scarves to complex garments, the patterns and stitches in this dictionary will inspire you to create beautiful, handmade items. Start your next project today. What we like. This book is an invaluable resource for anyone interested in loom knitting, offering a comprehensive guide to various stitches. If you are looking to expand your loom knitting repertoire and master new techniques, this dictionary is essential. It's perfect for both beginners wanting to learn the basics and experienced crafters seeking inspiration for complex patterns. What people say. It is well organized, easy to understand, and has a few stitches I haven't seen elsewhere. The pictures are so helpful, which is typically not the case with loom knitting books. It shows both flat and circular way of making new stitches. In the back of the book it shows how to make the stitches on the round loom, yes, but the pegs are pegs and it works on both round and straight looms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.